Meaning of flavoursome.
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 Flavoursome. Flavoursome is an adjective that describes something with a rich, full, and enjoyable flavor. It refers to food or drink that is tasty, delicious, and appealing to the palate. When we describe something as flavoursome, we are indicating that it has a distinctive and satisfying taste. This can be achieved through the use of spices, herbs, or other flavoring agents, as well as the quality of the ingredients themselves. Overall, flavoursome implies that the food or drink being described is enjoyable and has a pleasant, memorable taste.